It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, and I should be asleep, but I'm not. So I thought I'd tell you why I'm not asleep. The reason I'm not asleep is because of that. And you might think that is not natural. No one can make that sound. But let me tell you, someone out there can. And let me show you who it is. That's right. Coming all from that man. And there's no way of waking him. What shall I do? Dad. Dad. Joe reporting from the tent in the middle of Anglesey on our family camping trip. We have my sister Gemma, Sam, and me, and my dad. Please